Hi friends, let's see work and time, the second part. See, I am explaining here the questions which already came in the competitive exams. So what you want to do? Watch the first video before watching the second part, because the formulas are given in the first video. Now, we will be explaining some of the questions here, and this type of questions you can expect. What are the most probable questions in the competitive exams that I am explaining here? So what do you want to do? Continuous practice the same questions at least 5-10 times. Ready? And of course, we will be giving this as a series of videos. So don't forget to continue watching. For that, what do you want to do? Subscribe this channel. Ready? Let's start the first question. Of course, I'll read the question once. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B alone can finish it in 30 days. A alone can finish the work in. So the options are A, 15 days, B, 18 days, C, 20 days, and D, 25 days. It came in SSC 21-10-2012 question paper. Ready? See what I am telling? Whatever the questions I am giving here, this all came in some of the exams. So what do you want to do? Practice nice. See, I am giving in this series, it is simple questions. It is related with work and time. Ready? After that, we'll go to little higher level. So please make sure that you are watching continuous. Ready? Let's start the first work. See what is given. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. That means work done in A plus B in 1 day. Work done by A plus B in 1 day equals, what is given? Work done by A plus B in 1 day means 1 by 12. Together is 12 days means work done by A plus B in 1 day means what you will do? 1 by 12. After that, while B alone can finish it in 30 days, that means work done by B in 1 day. 1 day equals, what you will write? 30 days is there. That means in 1 day what you will do? 1 by 30. See, A plus B we got it and B alone we got it. Now what do you want in the question? We have to find out A alone can finish the work in how many days? That's the question. That means what do you want to do? Yes, A plus B is given and B is given. So from A plus B, if you minus B, you will get A. So what you will do? Work done by A in 1 day. 1 day equals, what you will do means, A plus B, how much is there? 1 by 12. From here, A plus B, if you minus B, will get A. That means 1 by 12 minus 1 by 30. Now, see, 12 and 30, we have to go for the LCM. We know that the bigger number will take, after that with the small number, we will try to divide. We know that by 12, you can't divide 30, isn't it? By 12, we can't divide 30 because 12 threes are 36, but 30 can't. So what you'll do now? 30 into 2, that is 60. Now we'll try by 12. 12 fives are 60. That means the LCM is 60. So careful. If you have doubt how to take LCM, please see the other video. Okay? So 60 will be the LCM. After that, 12 into how much you'll get? 60. 12 fives are. That means 1 into 5 minus 30 into how much you'll get? 60. 32s are. That means 1 into 2. So this equals 5 ones are or 1 fives are 5 minus 1 twos are 2 by 60 equals what you will get? 5 minus 2, 3. 3 by 60. Now we'll cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. That means 20. So we got it 1 by 20. So work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 20. That means how? What do you want? A alone can finish the work in 20 days because 1 by 20 is the work done by 1 day. That means the total work is 20 days. That means the right option is C. What is that? 20. Okay. Let's see the next question. A work can be completed by P and Q in 12 days, Q and R in 15 days, R and P in 20 days. In how many days P alone can finish the work? It came in SSC Tier 1 19/6/2011 question paper. Of course, the options are A 10, B 20, C 30 and D 60 days. Ready? So what you'll do? Let's see. A work can be completed by P and Q in 12 days. That means work done by P plus Q in 1 day equals P plus Q in 1 day. Total how many days? 12. That means 1 day, 1 by 12. Same way, work done by next one, Q plus R. Q plus R in 1 day. How many days is given? 1 by 15. Again, work done by R and P. So that means R plus P in 1 day. What you'll do is given 20. That means 1 by 20. See, in the question, P and Q, they took 15 days. That means 1 day's work will be 1 by 15. See, in the question, P and Q done the work by 12 days. That means 1 day will be 1 by 12. And after that, what is given? Q and R is given 15 days. That means we'll write 1 by 15. And of course, after that, R and P is given 20. That means 1 by 20. Ready? After that, what you'll do? All together we'll add it. This equation number 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3. Adding all the equation. Ready? That means adding. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3. That means what you'll get? Work done by P plus Q plus Q plus R plus Q. All together we have to add it. So adding all the numbers, see, P plus P. How many times P? 2P, isn't it? Again, Q plus Q, 2Q. R plus R, 2R. That means I will take 2 as common. We'll write 2 bracket P plus Q plus R. If you have doubt, you have to write P plus Q plus R plus P. Check it now. What is that? P plus P. 2P plus Q plus Q. 2Q plus R into R plus R. 2R. Equals, I am taking 2 common. That means we will get 2 bracket P plus Q plus R. Ready? In 1 day. 1 day equals, what you will do? This 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Now we will go for the LCM for 12, 15 and 20. 12, 15 and 20. Which is the bigger number? 20. By 20, we will try first. Of course, if we take 20 as LCM, 15 we can't do, isn't it? Because 15 2s are 30, so you can't do. So let's try by 20 into 2, that is 40. If you take 40 as LCM, 15 we can't do. Then what you'll do? 20 into 3, how much you'll get? 60. Sure. 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 20 3s are 60, isn't it? That means we'll take 60 as the LCM. How to take LCM? Make sure that you are watching the other video to study. So this equals, I am taking LCM as 60. After that, 12 5s are 60. That means 1 into 5 plus. 15 4s are 60. That means 1 into 4 plus. 23s are 60. That means 1 into 3 equals 1 5. 1 into 5. 5 plus 1 into 4. 4 plus 1 into 3. 3 divided by 60. That means what you will get? 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12. 12 by 60. I am cancelling by 12 direct. 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are. So we got it 1 by 5 for 2 into P plus Q plus R in one day. That means work done by P plus Q plus R in one day. What will do? Equals, here 2 into, we got it 1 by 5. So if I take 2 to other side, what will happen? 1 by 5 into 2. That means 1 by 10. Ready? This is for work done by, this is for work done by P plus Q plus R in one day is 1 by 10. This will be equation number 4. Now, what do you want? P alone can finish in how many days? That means P plus Q plus R, we got it 1 by 10. But we want only P. Only P means Q and R we have to remove. Q and R removing means the second equation. Because Q plus R we got it 1 by 15. But we got P plus Q plus R is 1 by 10. But Q plus R alone is 1 by 15. If you want P alone, what you will do? Only P will keep and Q and R will remove. Q and R removing means this equation. By chance, if you want only to find out R means what you will do? These two will minus. I hope you can understand. See, if you want to find out only P, Q and R will remove. Q and R means the second equation. By chance, if you want R to find out, what you will do? P and Q will remove. That means the first will minus. Ready? Now, by chance, if you want the value of Q, that means what you will do? R and P will minus. R and P will minus means Q will get. But in this question, we want P. That means what you will do? Equation 4 minus equation 2. From 4, if you minus 2, we will get P alone. Ready? Therefore, equation 4 minus equation 2. From 4, we will minus equation 2. That means 4 is what? Work done by P plus Q plus R in one day. Done by P plus Q plus R minus, what is 2? Q plus R, isn't it? Minus Q plus R in one day equals, P plus Q plus R is how much? 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So this implies work done by P plus Q plus R minus Q minus R. That means Q will cancel and R will cancel. That means we will get only work done by P in one day. I hope you can understand. P plus Q plus R minus and Q will minus. This minus opening means here will be minus. So Q and R will minus from here. If you minus Q and R, we will get only P in one day. Equals, what you will do? We will take the LCM. We know that 10 and 15. What is the bigger number? 15. Of course, 15 you can't do by 10. That means what you will do? 15 into 2. That is 30. 30 means sure you can do by both. That means LCM is 30. So 10 3s are 30. That means 1 into 3 minus 15 2s are 30. That means 1 into 2. So 3 ones are 3 minus 2 ones are 2 by 30. That is 1 by 30. So you got it. Work done by P in one day is 1 by 30. That means 30 days P can do the entire work alone by 30 days. That means the right option is C. I hope you understand. See my dears, when you do it, you don't want to write this much step. This I am doing to make you to study. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. A man, a woman and a boy together complete a piece of work in 3 days. If a man alone can do it in 6 days and a boy alone in 18 days, how long will a woman take to complete the work? Option A, 9 days, B, 21 days, C, 24 days, D, 27 days. Of course, it came in SSC 2005 question paper. I told already, I'll take only from the yearly questions. Ready? So, let's start the work. See, a man, a woman and a boy together complete the work. And after that, what do you want? You want to find out the work done by a woman. Ready? So we can just, I'm keeping this as a step, but make sure that we know that any competitive exam, you need to complete such questions within 1 minute. Otherwise, you won't complete the questions in time. Ready? So careful. I'm writing so many steps here to make you to study, but it doesn't mean that you have to write all the steps, but only to study. Okay? Let's start the work. First, keeping men as M, lady as, I'm keeping men as M, woman as W, and the boy as B. Answer. The work done by man plus woman plus boy in 1 day. Together they given 3, isn't it? That means 1 day how much it will be? 1 by 3. Again check it. If a man alone can do it in 6 days, that means work done by man in 1 day equals 1 by 6. Next, what you will write? What is given here? The boy can do it in 18 days. That means work done by boy in 1 day equals what you will write? 1 by 18, because 18 days is the total. That means 1 by 18. Ready? And work done by woman in 1 day. And we don't know that, just I'm writing as X. That means 1 by X. Is it okay? But all together is already given. How much? 1 by 3. That means this implies, I'm writing one more time, the work done by men, woman and the boy. Ready? So the work done by man plus woman plus boy in 1 day equals, is already given 1 by 3, but we will write separate. That means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 18 plus 1 by X equals 1 by 3. Because the work done by man plus woman plus boy together is how much? 1 by 3. If you want all together means what you will do? Man work plus boy work plus woman work, isn't it? That means we are writing 1 by 6 plus 1 by 18 plus 1 by X equals 1 by 3. That means this implies, see, what I will do mean 1 by X equals 1 by 3 is already in the right side. Now 1 by 18, 1 by 6 I will carry it to the next side. So it will be minus. It is here plus, if it goes to next side, minus. That means minus 1 by 18 and 1 by 6 goes to next side, minus 1 by 6. That means now we will take the LCM of 3, 18, 6. So 3, 18, 6. See, the bigger number is 18. Let's see by 3. 3, 6 are 18. Okay, then don't worry about 3. Now 6. 6 3s are 18. That means our LCM is 18. Ready? Now 3 into how much you will get 18? 3, 6. That means 1 into 6. Okay, minus 1 into 18 into how much you will get 18? 18 1. That means into 1 minus 1 into 6 into how much you will get 18? 6 3s are. That means 1 into 3 equals 6 1s are, or 1 6 are 6 minus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 3 by 18 equals, say, 6 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus. That means 1 plus 3 4. That means we'll write minus 4 divided by 18. equals 6 minus 4, 2. 2 by 18. Ready? That means what we'll do, we can cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So we got it 1 by 9. That is 1 by x equals 1 by 9. This is the work done by woman in one day. That means the total work will be 9 days. That means our option, right option is A, 9 days. Okay. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. B and C complete a piece of work in 12 days. C and A can do it in 8 days. All the three can do it in 6 days. A and B together can complete it in, that is the question. So the option A, 4 days, B, 6 days, C, 8 days and D, 10 days. It came in SSC DEO 4/12/2011. Let's start the work. Work done by B plus C in one day equals 1 by 12, because B and C complete a piece of work in 12 days. That means work done by B plus C in 1 day is 1 by 12. Next one, work done by C plus A in 1 day equal how much? The total work is 8. That means 1 day 1 by 8. And again what is given? All the three can do it in 6 days. That means work done by A plus B plus C in 1 day. How much is that? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Work done by A plus B plus C in 1 day. So if you want, you can write work done by A and B plus C in 1 day. See, this A plus B plus C, what we will do means, we will take work done by A plus work done by B and C together is how much? 1 by 6. That means we will separate this. We will split it. That means work done by A in 1 day plus work done by B plus C in 1 day. Because A plus B plus C means if you want A and B C together, isn't it? So A and B and C together means what will be? It should be 1 by 6. So this implies work done by A in 1 day plus work done by B plus C. B plus C we already got. How much is that? 1 by 12. That means plus 1 by 12 equals 1 by 6. See, A plus B plus C, A we are sticking A plus B plus C, we are keeping A separate and B plus C together 1 by 12. So this implies what you will do? Work done by A in 1 day equals 1 by 6. This 1 by 12 is plus, goes next side minus. That means minus 1 by 12. We will go for the LCM. 6 into how much you will get? 12. 6 twos are. So direct LCM is 12. Now 6 into how much? 2. That means 1 into 2 minus 1 into 12 into 12 into 1 is 12, isn't it? That means 1 into 1 equals 2 ones are 2 minus 1 ones are 1 divided by 12. That means we will get 1 by 12. This is the work done by A alone. Ready? Now, this work done by A, we will put in any one of these and we will find out the value C. Okay, ready? So what you will do means, we got the work done by A alone. Ready? This one we will put in the second. That means what? Work done by C plus A in 1 day. So, work done by C plus A in 1 day is how much? 1 by 8. This one you can write work done by C and work done by A in one day. A in one day equals 1 by 8. Work done by C in one day plus work done by A in one day, that is 1 by 12, isn't it? So 1 by 12 equals altogether C and A together, how much we got? 1 by 8. That means if you want work done by C in one day equals what you'll do? 1 by 8. This 1 by 12 will go to next side. It will be minus 1 by 12. What you'll do now? We'll go for the LCM. Our numbers are 8 and 12. We know that the bigger number is 12, but of course you can't divide it by 8. So we'll take the multiple of 12. 12 into 2. That is 24. 24 means 8 3s are 24. So our LCM is 24. After that, 8 into how much you'll get? 24? 8 3s are. That means 1 into 3 minus 1 into 12 into how much you'll get? 24? 12 2s are. That means 1 into 2 equals 3 1s are 3 minus 2 1s are 2 by 24 equals 3 minus 2 1. That means 1 by 24. This is the work done by C in one day. Got it? Now what you'll do? We'll go to work done by A plus B plus C in one day. How much is that? Check it. 1 by 6. That means A, B and C together is 1 by 6. But we can put the value of C here. That is 1 by 24. Then we are going to get the work done by A and B together. Ready? That means this implies work done by A plus B in one day plus. Actually, I have to write A plus B plus C. But what I am going to do, A, B I am taking separate and the C will be different. Ready? That means I am taking A, B in one group and C will be separate. Ready? That means C. The value of C we already got. How much? 1 by 24 equals 1 by 6. Work done by A plus B in one day equals, what will do? 1 by 6 is already in the right side. So 1 by 24 goes next side. It will be minus then. Minus 1 by 24. Sure. Looking this one, 6 and 24. What will be the LCM? 6 4s are 24. That means 24 will be the LCM. Now, 1 into 6 into how much will get? 24? 6 4s are. That means that 4 will multiply in the numerator. Minus 1. 24 into how much will get? 24? 24 1s are. That means 1 into 1 equals 4 1s are 4 minus 1 by 24 equals 4 minus 1 3 by 24. Now what you will do? We will cancel by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are. So we got it 1 by 8. That means work done by A plus B in one day is 1 by 8. That means if you want A and B together, what will happen? 1 by 8 means the work will be A and B together is 8. That means the right option is C, that is 8 days. I'll read the next question. A, B and C together can complete a piece of work in 30 minutes. A and B together can complete the same work in 50 minutes. C alone can complete the work in, that's the question, how many days? So option A, 60 minute, B, 75 minute, C, 80 minute and D, 150 minute. Of course, it came in SSC MTS 22 2011 question paper. Let's start the work. So what you will write first? Work done by done by A plus B plus C in one day equals A and B tree can complete a piece of work in 30 minutes. So let's start the answer now. So let's start the answer now. Work done by A plus B plus C in 1 minute, because in the question 30 minutes, isn't it? So we'll write work done by A plus B plus C in 1 minute equals, what will do? 1 by 30. Ready? Now what will do? Work done by, see, A and B together can complete it in 50 minutes. That means work done by A plus B in 1 minute equals, what will do? 1 by, yes, 50, isn't it? So 1 by 50. See, A plus B plus C is 130. A plus B alone given 50. That means what do you want? You want to find out C alone. So simple, what you'll do? See, this part, this will write one more time. Work done by A plus B plus work done by C in 1 minute equals 1 by 30, because A plus B plus C in 1 minute is 1 by 30. So in place of A plus B, what you can write? 1 by 50. That means 1 by 50 plus work done by C in 1 minute equals 1 by 30. Ready? That means now we will do only work done by C in 1 minute. That means work done by C in 1 minute. 1 by 30 is already here. This 1 by 50 goes next side. It will be minus 1 by 50. Ready? Now what we'll do? See, 30 and 50. We will go for the LCM. The bigger number is 50. Of course, we know that 30 we can divide to 50. That means we will go for 2 into 50. 100. 100 I have. Yes, we can't do, isn't it? Now what we will do? 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 50 into 2 we got it. 100 we can't do. By 30. So we will go by 50 into 3. That is 150. Sure. 30 into 5 is 150, isn't it? That means we can take the LCM as 150. Now 30 into how much you will get 150? 30 into 5. That means 1 into 5 minus 1 into 50 into how much you will get 150? That is 50 into 3, isn't it? So we will take 3 equals 5 ones are 5 minus 3 ones are 3 by 150 equals 2 by, because 5 minus 3 2 by 150. Now we can cancel it, isn't it? That means 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. From 15 we took 14. That means the balance is 1. 1 means 10. 10 means 2 5s are. So we got it 1 by 75. Got it? Work done by C in 1 minute equal 1 by 75. That means C alone can complete it by 75 minutes. That means the right option is B, that is 75 minutes. Okay. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. A can do a work in 20 days and B in 40 days. If they work on it together for 5 days, then fraction of the work that is left is the option A 5 by 8, B 5 by 15, C 7 by 15 and D 1 by 10. Of course, it came in SSC 21/10/2012. Ready? See, in this question, bit different. What is that? A alone is given, B alone is given. After that, 5 days they are working. And you have to find out how much work is left. Ready? Let's start the work. First we will write work done by A in 1 day equals 1 by 20. Same way, work done by B in 1 day. How much? 1 by 40. Now, what we'll do? We'll find out together. That means work done by A plus B in 1 day equals, this two will add it, that means 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40 equals, we'll take LCM as 40 because 20 into 2 40. So 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 1 or just 1 equals, what you will get? 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 40 equals 3 by 40. This is the work done by A and B in 1 day. But how many days you have to take? 5 days. First you have to see. That means work done by A plus B in 5 days equals 1 day is 3 by 40. So 5 days means what you'll do? 5 into 3 by 40. 5 will cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. That means we'll get 3 by 8. Ready? This is the work done by A and B for 5 days. Now you want to find out the work left. So the work left equals always, in the case of fraction, if you get fraction, you think work is 1. That means you already got 3 by 8 complete, but work is 1. That means work left equals 1 minus 3 by 8. Ready? We'll go for the LCM 8. So this 8 will multiply to here. So 8 into 1, 8 minus 3. Ready? So 8 minus 3 means 5 by 8. So the correct option is A, that is 5 by 8. See, this type of questions, yearly questions, means whichever the questions came in the competitive exams. See, we will be doing different type of questions in different videos. So please make sure that you are watching from the beginning onwards. So those didn't watch the previous video, kindly watch that one. After that, come to this. And we will be getting the new videos. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay.